Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to find your GoDaddy domain authorization code. Alright, let's begin. First, log into your GoDaddy account using your credentials. Once inside the dashboard, locate the account manager where all your domains are listed. If you own multiple domains, select the one you want to transfer and open its settings page. In the domain settings, look for the option to transfer the domain away from GoDaddy. You'll usually find this under Additional Settings. Remember, GoDaddy restricts transfers within 60 days of registration, transfer, or changes to registrant details. Make sure your domain is eligible. Once the transfer option appears, click the link that says, "Click here to see authorization code." Your unique code will be displayed. Copy it carefully and save it in a secure location, such as a password manager. So that's basically how you can find your GoDaddy domain authorization code. That's it for this video. Thanks.